Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to read the data from the MySQL database and display into the console in Python. In previous two videos I showed you how to connect to the MySQL database and how to insert data into the database. See here, I connected to the student data database, and inside this student data database I have one table student. Inside that I have two columns. Into this table I inserted two rows of data. First one is 101 student ID and name as Kumar, and 102 has a student ID and name as Sachin. Now I will write the code in Python to read this data from the database and print that data into the console. Let's get started. I will create new file. I will copy this code itself, paste here. I will erase this statements. This is I wrote to insert the data into the database. I will delete this. Now I will write the code to read the data from the database. First I need to write the SQL query. We need to write the query inside the triple quotes. Select star from table name we need to give. We need to write the table name inside this quote. Select star from student. We wrote the query. Now I need to take the cursor object. To get a cursor object I will use this connection object mycon.cursor. This will give us one cursor object. I will store that cursor object into the one variable myCursor. Using this cursor object I need to execute the query. After executing it will give one records of data, so we need to fetch that. It will return one record. In this record variable whatever the data is there no inside the student table, that all will be stored in this record variable. We need to iterate these records, so I am using the for loop. After that I am printing every record. See here, first I connected to the database here. After that I wrote one query to retrieve the data from the database. Select star from student. To execute this query we need one cursor object, so using the connection object I am getting the cursor object. After that using that cursor object I am executing this query. After execution this query will return the records, so I am fetching that record. Fetch all method gives the list of student data, so I need to iterate that list, so I am iterating using the for loop. After that I am printing the each student data here. Now save this code. We need to save the file with .py extension. Now I will run this code. See, we got our data here. First connecting to the database, after that connection is successful, and then we are getting the all data whatever we stored in the database inside the table. After that connection got closed. See, whatever data is there in this table no, that only we are getting. Now I done with reading the data from the database. In the next video, I will show you how to read the single data. Here we are getting all the data from the database now. In the next video, I am showing you how to read the single data using the primary key. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.